Well, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, today we're working on this 2008 to 2014 MN Triton specifically. We're going to be swapping out this exterior door handle. Now guys, don't forget, before we start, if you do need this part, I suggest getting it. Jump on to our website, the link will be in the title, just click it, it'll drop down, order it. I think they're $43.30, free express post anywhere in Australia. Then yeah, jump on this video. I'll show you how to fit it. I'm going to save you some money, guys. Just think about the savings, considering a mechanic's going to charge you at least an hour's labor, plus they're going to upsell you on the part. 250 watt, this is 43 plus your own time. So guys, you're saving up to 200 bucks. So if you appreciate that, give it a thumbs up. And other than that, guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, we're going to start by popping this little, like a rubber grommet. And that way we get access to a little T30 Torx bit. Now the reason that we are going in from the side like this door handle doesn't actually require you to pull this card off, which is good news. You grab your T30, put it straight through here, and you'll find a little T30 screw. Now that bolt does not come out all the way. It is literally just pops out like that. It just sits in there, right? And then see this little lock barrel? Give it a nice wiggle. It does take a little bit of force. It comes out kind of on an angle. Boom, just like that. See? Pop that to the side. Then you can grab your door handle and just pop it that direction. Pops out like so. Now you'll find behind this little plastic unit here, might pop out of its place. Just grab it and pop it back into position. Now, I want to show you something special about this job. If you have a look, see if I can get it to light up with my flash. What I'll do is I'll pull it forward for you. If you have a look in here, where's my flash? Just there. You'll see this little metal tab. Do you see that? Yeah, there. See like that? Now, in that current state, as it sits, the new door handle, let's just say, I'll let you in on a secret, guys. I accidentally already fitted this and the videos were corrupted. So pretend that I pulled off this one, right, your old one. Now guys, by the way, just before we continue, you'll most likely have this snapped. So that little piece will have fallen down into the door. Give the door a shake, get it right to the bottom. You can leave it in there for now. It's not going to cause you any dramas. But yeah, this one here is your Parts Factory one. We obviously have them in chrome and black, and they do include the cap. A lot of you might also find that it is your cap you're missing. You may not even need the handle, but yeah, you can't separate these things. We don't sell them separately. To pull that cap off, you can just press that and see how it pops off like that. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. Anyway, back to the more important part. A lot of people have dramas here. You see this little, what is it, a right angle, or it's like an L. That little tab, did I show you how it rocks back and forth? It sits in there like that, but when you put this door handle in like that, you'll find it doesn't reach. Yeah, I can't really demonstrate to you that it doesn't reach, but I will show you how to put it in properly without having that happen. What you do is you grab it and bring it forward, and then you see like that how it's just going to sit there like that, and you bring a flathead screwdriver in underneath and just slightly hold it, and then yeah, use your right hand to grab that handle, slot it in, and hopefully you're good to go. Obviously I cannot do it and film at the same time, so I'm going to stick it on the tripod there. I'm going to try and zoom in as much as I possibly can. Let's give it a go. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to bring that metal tab forward with my left finger, and I'm going to use a screwdriver just to kind of grab it and hold it, if you know what I mean. Pry that forward, then bring the door handle. See how it's just sitting there pried forward? I'm going to put the door handle in like so, and yeah, look at that. If I can just, hopefully I got it, which I think I might have. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. So I'm going to retry again. You can see there, it's grabbed that tab. It's nice and smooth, and then yeah. So guys, obviously, if you then needed to change this to the chrome one, you can just pop it off like that, put it back in. You just literally slide it into place like so, like that, and then it just goes, pops in. You can grab that lock barrel. Remember, it does have to come in a bit on the side, as we discussed. Sometimes you even want to pull that door handle out a bit, just so it kind of slides in a bit easier. So once it's in there, pull the door handle, and then, as you know, we can just put that screw back in with that T30. Remember, you just come in from the side, lining it up. It's not too difficult at all. Hopefully it just screws in nicely. You want that quite tight. Test your door handles working. Look at that. Beautiful, that's what we're looking for. And don't forget a little grommet. Keep all the moisture out of that door so you don't get any rust. Alrighty guys, nice and easy one today. Literally, you could probably get this job done in under 2 minutes, especially if you're not filming. Guys, if you have appreciated this video, I do ask, if you can, give the video a thumbs up. And if you are in possession of any of these type of cars, you know, you're doing your own DIY repairs, etc. from home, sub to the channel. And on top of that, if you enjoy these types of videos, you can also sub to the channel to entertain yourself. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.